Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we're exploring the serene world of rustic minimalist interior design. Join us as we discover how to create spaces that are both cozy and clutter-free, marrying the warmth of natural elements with the calm of minimalist principles. If you're ready to learn how to achieve this harmonious balance in your own home, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Your journey to a more peaceful living space starts now. Before we dive into the elements of rustic minimalism, take a moment to like this video. It helps us create more content that celebrates the beauty of simplicity. Now, let's begin our tranquil exploration. At its core, rustic minimalism is about creating a sense of warmth and connection to nature while maintaining a clutter-free, purposeful space. Let's break down the key elements. Natural materials. Rustic minimalism embraces raw, unfinished textures. Think exposed wooden beams, stone surfaces, and linen textiles. These elements bring warmth and character to the space without overwhelming it. Neutral color palette. Whites, creams, grays, and earth tones dominate this style. These colors create a calm backdrop that allows the natural textures to shine. Functional furniture. Each piece serves a purpose. Look for simple, well-crafted furniture with clean lines, often made from natural materials like wood or leather. Mindful decor. Decorative items are few but meaningful. A single piece of driftwood, a handcrafted ceramic vase, or a woven basket can serve as both functional and aesthetic elements. Open space. Rustic minimalism celebrates negative space. Rooms feel airy and uncluttered, allowing you to appreciate each carefully chosen element. Organic shapes. While minimalism often favors geometric forms, rustic minimalism incorporates more organic, imperfect shapes that reflect the natural world. Let's explore how these elements come together in different rooms. In the living room, picture a low-profile linen sofa in a soft oatmeal color. Beside it, a reclaimed wood coffee table with clean lines anchors the space. A single, oversized black and white landscape photograph hangs on a white wall, creating a striking focal point. Underfoot, a natural jute rug adds texture without pattern. The kitchen embodies functionality with beauty. Open shelving made from rough-hewn wood displays a carefully curated collection of handmade ceramics. Smooth concrete countertops contrast with a farmhouse sink. A cluster of simple pendant lights with exposed bulbs hangs over a wooden island, their warm glow reflecting off the matte black hardware. In the bedroom, a platform bed with a simple wooden headboard takes center stage. Crisp white linens are layered with a single textured throw in an earthy tone. Bedside tables are replaced by floating shelves, each holding only a handcrafted ceramic lamp and perhaps a small potted plant. A large window with sheer linen curtains lets in plenty of natural light, eliminating the need for additional decor. To incorporate rustic minimalism in your own space, remember these tips. Edit ruthlessly. Keep only items that are both functional and beautiful. Emphasize texture. Use natural materials to add warmth and interest without clutter. Let in light. Large windows or strategically placed mirrors can make spaces feel more open and airy. Embrace imperfection. Choose pieces with character, like live-edge wood or handmade ceramics. Keep it cohesive. Stick to a limited color palette to create a sense of calm and unity throughout your space. As we conclude our journey into rustic minimalism, we see how this style creates spaces that are both grounding and uplifting. By thoughtfully combining natural elements with minimalist principles, we can create homes that feel both warm and serene, connected to nature, yet free from clutter. We hope this exploration of rustic minimalism has inspired you to find beauty and simplicity and nature in your own space. If you enjoyed this calm journey through interior design, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who appreciate tranquil living spaces. Don't forget to subscribe to Visionary Designs for more soothing interior journeys that explore the beauty of thoughtful design. Hit that notification bell to be gently reminded when we release new content, bringing peaceful design inspiration to your screen. Until next time, may your home be a peaceful haven that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and the warmth of nature.